Hello, my name is Erin, and I recently had a windshield replaced on my 2008 Toyota Highlander by Mobile Glass. I had a chip in my windshield because of a rock that just flew up and hit my windshield, and it started to spread, and so I decided that it needed to be replaced. So I found Mobile Glass via just a Google search in my area. I'm pretty happy with the result. As you can see, it looks really great. I had it done a couple weeks ago, and the service was pretty quick once the technician showed up. It only took about 15 minutes, and he was, in and he was out. So that was nice. And so again, it was a replacement of my windshield. I'm pretty happy, and I would definitely use them again. And once again, I'm Erin. I live in Dallas, Texas.